This video is going to be a quick product review, wash, and style. Welcome, beauty queens. The style that I'm going to do at the end of this video is going to be a twist out. Now, Aloe Blaque reached out to me. Thank you so much. And they wanted to work with me and for me to endorse their products based on my review. So I have not unboxed any of their products yet, or not unboxed, but I have not tried any of their products yet whatsoever. So this was my first blind brand endorsement project and I'm super excited. So as you guys know, I will always be honest with you guys. That is one of the things I promised myself when I first became a YouTuber, and I'm excited. So one of the reasons why I did say yes to them without trying their products is because their main ingredients. So when they reached out to me, I looked at their website, I read their ingredients, and I was like, yeah. So I'm super excited. So the first thing I'm going to review with you guys really quickly is the Aloe Blaque So Fresh So Clean Aloe Shampoo Milk. And some of their main ingredients is aloe vera juice, soybean oil, safflower oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to read every single ingredient on here, but just some of the basics. So I'm super excited about this. Let's see. So they sent me 5 products, 3 hair and 2 face. So like I said, literally this is like my unboxing with you guys. Child, this is tape. Okay. So let's see. I'm big into smells, as I'm sure many of you are. Ooh, this is very minty. Ooh. Definitely very minty. I'm excited. And of course, one of their main ingredients is peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is extremely good for your scalp. It increases hair growth and all of that jazz. Next is their leave-in conditioner twisting cream. This is actually what I'm going to use today for my twist out. So I'm nervous and excited. Ooh. It's definitely very buttery, so I think this will be perfect for my twist out. I said I'm nervous because literally I don't have enough time in the morning to redo my hair if it doesn't turn out right, so pray for that. Okay, so this is their twisting cream like I mentioned earlier. Some of the key ingredients are aloe vera juice. In fact, that's their first ingredients. And they have hemp seed butter as well as shea butter, which for me, my twist outs usually turn out perfect with shea butter. So I'm super excited. And they also have soybean oil. And one of the things I did recognize from their site is they actually tried to be as organic and natural as possible. So again, this is their leave-in conditioner twisting cream. It smells amazing. It smells like shea butter and honey had a baby. Why does it smell like honey? Oh, honey is the second ingredient. So we have aloe vera juice, organic creamed honey. Okay, and the third hair ingredient they sent me is the Aloe Blaque Oil Infused Pomade. Interesting. Okay. Okay, so this is literally like pomade. If you don't know pomade oil, if you don't know what pomade is, it reminds me of, and if you old school, it reminds me of grease back in the day. That's literally what it reminds me of. So I will probably use this when I take my twist outs, or maybe even incorporate it into my twist outs. Some of the main ingredients, we have beeswax, avocado oil, peppermint oil, carrot seed oil, clove oil, and lemon oil. I actually just read all of them. And again, this is the pomade. I'm excited for this as well. Now, they sent me 2 of their skincare items, which I'm also excited about. You guys know, maybe you know, maybe you don't. I am very serious about my skincare. I don't play no games. So we have the Clear Skin Gel Cleanser. So some of the ingredients are water, Da 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 da. Rose fruit oil, tea tree oil. I'm excited about this. I don't know if I'm going to incorporate this at the end of the video or do a separate video washing my face. And then the second thing they sent me is the Fresh Face Aloe Cucumber Spritzer. Ooh, feels like I'm at a spa. And some of their ingredients is water is our first ingredients. And then they also incorporated, sorry, I don't have my glasses on and I cannot read this little writing, like no lie. Some of their vitamin C, aloe, silica, which is really good for your skin, grapefruit seed extract, and many other cool things. So I'm super excited. And another side note is this is a glass bottle, which if you know anything about glass versus plastic, that's a good sign. Okay, so let's get into it. We're gonna start with me washing my hair and me putting my ear pods in because I am going to listen to music while I get this poppin'. Drying really fast for some reason. I am going to use my spray, which is distilled water and rose water. That's it. I'm gonna put my ear pods back in and get this twist popping. So my hair feels extremely moisturized and oiled. The only thing I wish I would have done differently is to use more perm rods at the ends, because as you guys probably saw when I was twisting it, some of my ends didn't curl. So I don't think the aloe twisting cream has a whole lot of, like, my hair wasn't wet enough for it to naturally curl at the bottom. So I probably would have used more perm rods maybe at the end of every single one, because some of the, like this one, see how bomb that looks at the end versus this that kind of straight. So remember with twist outs, how your ends look in your twists, that's exactly how the ends are going to look when you untwist your hair. But I absolutely love it. I love the way my hair feels. It's very soft, moisturized, and look at all that. And I only had to use like a little bit of it because I thought I needed more of this pomade, but it turns out I didn't need any because my hair is so oily. Not like in a bad way, like in a good way. Like, the lighting this morning is not giving me life. But I'll try to take more pictures later. Hopefully at the end of the day. I am working out today, so I hope that it doesn't mess up my twists. So I will come back a little bit later so you guys can see. Look, here we go. But I love how my twist out turned out. Again, the only mistake I made was my own mistake. Like, I know that's the twist out rule. So I absolutely recommend these products. Super excited. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will have my coupon code below if you want to try them out. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you can see me using these products on more natural hairstyles. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I post my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment something sweet.